Hey everyone, welcome to Hayden, Idaho, home of our second Super Springs International location. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get all the time. What is the best phone mount system for the Jeep Wrangler JLU? So you may be asking yourself, why is he filming this in Idaho? Well, that's a great question. I'm actually here this week to visit the Super Springs International Engineering and Marketing Office. And that's important because Super Springs International is an American-made brand. When I first started looking, there was one brand that just kept popping up everywhere. Its logo was basically an American flag, but after doing some research, I found out it was actually just importing cheap knockoffs from China, which brings me right back to where we started, the best phone holder for a Jeep Wrangler JLU. So after some research and doing a lot of digging, I found the truly American-made brand, 67 Designs. 67 Designs is based in Texas and manufactures here in the United States.
Installation is simple. First, remove any ducts, then remove any sunglasses. Now we're going to take out this rubber tray. Start by removing these factory screw holders. Keep these screws though, as you're going to reuse these later. Next, test fit your 67 Designs phone mount. Mark your drilling locations where you're going to use a 2.5mm drill. Next, drill your holes. Then, test mount again, making sure it's correct, and then remove the 3M backing from the mount. Firmly stick the foam mount in place, and then screw it in using the factory screw and two provided set screws from 67 Designs. Let's repeat this process on the other side. Again, removing the factory screw, test fitting our phone mount, marking our drilling locations, drilling out the holes, and then mounting our phone mount. Next, let's cut this rubber piece so that it'll fit back into our tray. Just slightly trim, a sharp knife or a box cutter will work perfectly. Time to throw it back in, just like new. Next, it's time to install the carbon fiber arms. Use the provided clamp set to mount the carbon fiber arm onto the clamp. Then put the clamp onto the ball lamp and tighten. You can tighten these by hand or use the included tightener to get it extra tight. On the front, you'll do the same thing. Clamp your actual mount into the clamp and then onto the carbon fiber arm and tighten. Now we'll repeat this on the driver's side, again tightening onto the ball mount using the included clamps and fasteners, and tightening by hand. Here I've mounted my phone mount up, and you can see it with the GoPro and phone in place. When buying any part for my Jeep, it's important to me to look for American-made products, not just because of the quality standards of American-made goods, but also because these go to help support American jobs, from engineering to manufacturing to shipping. 67 Designs. Based in Texas, engineered in Texas, manufactured in Texas. Don't be fooled by the imitations.